Today is just to have some fun and get back to you guys. We got some guys from obviously on our manufacturing side. We got some guys here to support what we're doing with Trailmaster Jeep and different products we have. Also, Randall from Dana's here. He's sponsoring the lunches, so we got lunches covered for everybody. So we appreciate the support from Dana. We got Bob Pfeiffer from G2 and Chris and Ryan from our TMG brands, which is a Trans-American manufacturing group. And then we got guys from Rigid and stuff here too. So little mix of everything. So hopefully if you guys got questions, you can talk to some of the brand managers on this stuff to get some insight on it. We also got some cool giveaways, some swag stuff we'll give you guys throughout the trail. And more than anything, have fun and just appreciate everything you guys do for us.